Don't put none of that. Sit down and pose now.
Alright, this is Christmas 2008. And Annabelle just opened her gift and unwrapped it.
Don't let her chew up her collar.
So what'd you get, babe?
Oh.
She got...
She didn't want you to take it from me.
Baby, I'm not... Baby, you can't chill in that. That's a flea collar.
Give her this gift bag over here. Oh! Oh, that's mine. Give her this gift bag over here.
Alright, Annabelle, you gotta let go. Once you open it, you gotta let go.
Let go of it and give her the gift bag.
Okay, that's a new flea collar. Alright, calm down, babe. Don't be mad. Don't take it personal. Okay. Now be careful when you open these. Okay. She's like, what could that be?
She really likes this opening the gift for something.
I know. You need help?
You can do it, honey.
Yeah. That's a new bowl. There you go.
Oh,
Good job, baby.
How pretty.
A new bowl.
Look at her. Go for it. Go. Is that blue or navy blue?
Yeah. You'd be amazed by the lack of options you have in their bowls.
Open it up.
Come on, babe.
darling.
Finish opening it.
Look at her. Yay.
Yay. You gotta stay on the couch, babe.
What'd you get, darling?
What'd you get?
What'd you get?
Yeah, balls, yeah!
All right. Yay.
She's like...
Good, Annabelle. Merry Christmas, Annabelle. Now, how did that happen? There you go.